SmartSpin is designed for the fastest and highest quality measurement on connected shafts. A unique algorithm automatically eliminates low-quality measurements, significantly increasing the accuracy of the results. SmartSpin measures values and records them directly during shaft rotation and do not require stopping at separately selected positions. Choose the position of the measuring units convenient for you. They must have the same angle of rotation. Tap the Start icon. Move the measuring units, smoothly stopping in positions convenient for you. Points will be recorded throughout the rotation. To achieve the most accurate result, measure until the value on the indicator reaches 100%. Then tap the Stop Measurement icon.